Hey y'all, it's JADA RENEE. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make these DIY at home template free waterproof labels. These labels are 100% waterproof and they're going to be great for shower products such as body scrubs, sugar scrubs, body wash, anything that they use in the shower or they might get wet. These are the waterproof labels that we're going to be using. They are from Amazon and they will be linked down below in the description box so that way you can access them very easily. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content, business related and body butter related. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to measure out our jars, and I'm going to use this measuring tape that I got from the craft store, and I'm just going to measure out the width that I want my label to go across my jar. And once I have my width, I'm going to go ahead and measure my length, and be sure to write these down so that way we can input these when we create our labels. So I create all my labels through Canva, so I'm going to use the Canva website, and I'm going to click create a design, and then I'm going to type in custom size, and you're just going to use those same measurements that you had. So it was in inches and the width was 5, and then the height was 1.75, and then press create new design. So now that I have it loaded up, I'm going to go ahead and create my label. So as you can see, I have created my label, something very cute and simple. You can also add anything else that you want. So I'm also going to show you other templates that Canva has available for you. So all you have to do is create and then click label. And then on the side where it says templates, they have plenty of different options for you to choose from if you're not as creative. As you can see, like this one has the about part, it has a barcode, it has ingredients if you want to add your ingredients, your shelf life on there, or your expiration date for your products, barcodes if you scan in products or anything such as that sort for inventory. And then they have sticker options. So these are little sticker templates that you just cut out and you just place them on your product. And then they also have circle stickers. So if you wanted to add these on your lids of your body butters or anything like that, then they also have these templates available for you. So be sure to check out Canva if you're a first-time label creator, because they do have many great options. So now that we have our label, we're going to press share, and then we're going to press download. And you want to download it in the highest quality. So we're going to do, it says PNG, best for complex images, illustrations. And then they have PDF print, so best for printing. We're going to use the PNG, and we're going to do the high quality. So it's going to be a larger size. We're just going to download it. Now that we have our label downloaded, we're going to go into, well, I'm going to use Google Docs. You can use Word, whichever one. So I'm going to open up a new Google Doc, and I'm going to press insert, and then I'm going to click image, upload from computer. I have it. So now all I'm going to do is download it, or I can just press print right here. Press download, and then now we're going to print it off. All I'm going to do is insert my paper, and you want to make sure that the front side is facing towards you, so that when you print it out, the sticker part is, the peel off sticker part is on the back. So I have this, it's a cutter and it's also a ruler, and this is what I'm going to use to cut out my labels. Now this is perfect if you're not very straight-handed or things like that, and I will also highly recommend this. But if you do have curved labels, then you're still going to have to round them off yourself. So I have my label here, and I'm just going to line it up with the, sometimes I hate how it's all white and I can't see. Just make sure that it's straight. Then we're going to cut. And then now that I have the bottom piece cut, it's going to be a lot easier for me to line this part. And now I have my label. So now I got my cute product. So to peel off the label, it's like this little, if you have nails you can really get it. Then we're just going to peel the back off, just like that. And to do my labels, I actually like to lay down my product, and then just going to place it straight on top. Make sure that it's all even. Just going to smooth it. Once you have your label on, your product is ready to be sold. Thank y'all for watching my video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. You know what it is, I'm not a busy.
it's not